Hello everyone, my name is Alan Polhariol and today I will be interviewing some students about Florence Nightingale. Let's go! Hello po, excuse me po. Call nga po pala. Baka pwede namin kayong ma-interview.
Okay lang, wala problema.
Tanong lang po sana namin kayo about kay Florence Nightingale. Baka meron po kayong idea kung sino siya.
Wala mo.
Okay, sir.
Kasi bago lang.
What about you, ma'am?
Wala po eh. Sino po kayo?
Florence Nightingale was born on May 12, 1820 in Florence, Italy. Florence was named after the city of her birth. Her family was rich and her father focused on her education. Florence was not an unusual woman because she focused more on studying than on playing and going outside. She wanted to learn how to help and assist others, but her family didn't support her being a nurse because for them, hospitals are dirty. At the age of 16, she experienced one of several calls from God. She viewed her particular calling as reducing human suffering. In 1854, British and Allied soldiers were in Turkey during the Crimean War. She spent 24 hours in the wards and her night rounds with her lamp while giving personal care to the wounded, establish her image as the lady with the lamp.